you have to tell us something about Lakshmi Bomb yet जो अपने को नहीं पता है. Like some sneak peek. Come on.
It's highly awaited and it's a horror comedy and it's a great film. I've seen it and I'm waiting for it to be out.
And Akshay Kumar has killed it.
He has killed it, yeah, for sure.
I'm going to do this fun thing, ठीक है? Tushar, which is called Just a Minute. ठीक है? So I'm going to throw these questions at you and you have to answer them फटाफट. ठीक है? Are you ready?
Yes.
अच्छा, तुषार का go to movie क्या है in quarantine?
I just saw The Sinner. It's a series. I loved it.
You finished all the
seasons.
seasons? 2 seasons.
2 seasons. Yes.
Which one did you like more, first or second?
I think the second one is better, but the parts of the first season are very good. Like first one is very entertaining at parts, but it's a little more unbelievable, filmy. The second one was
correct. Money Heist, have you seen?
No, I'm not so much into web shows. I'll watch them all gradually now.
Listen, Money Heist, you have to watch, Tushar. Remove thoda time and watch Money Heist. That's your first thing to watch.
Oh, okay.
But now coming to the other question. How difficult was it to shut up for your role in Golmaal? How did you curb yourself?
It's not difficult because I'm making so many sounds. And then I've attempted that role in different ways. So it's not difficult to stay shut up because I can't stay shut up. I'm literally yelling in some of the parts. So in fact, it's difficult to be so vocal even though you're not speaking.
But yeah, that's an art, no? वो कैसे आया? How did you decide that this is what you're going to say? Because it's all gibberish. So उसके लिए बहुत practice करना पड़ा कि क्या था वो?
Workshop करना पड़ा and then to get the right voice modulation because I had to sound different than the others in the film. And hand movements, facial expressions, सबको साथ में रखते हुए फिर वो आवाजें निकालना. So it's not exactly gibberish, but we try to create a kind of a language or a voice modulation for a mute person. They have sounds. He's not deaf. If you see mute people out there, so they do make sounds to convey their feelings. They can't speak, but they can make sounds. Yeah.
Wow, this is interesting. We can actually do one whole episode on the making of this character, which I am going to do. Okay, one advice that you want to give Ekta.
I've already given her. I wanted her to start chanting with me. I'm into Buddhism, and she has.
Yeah, listen, I was Googling about it because I know a lot of people who are into Buddhism.
Yes.
You know, and I was just reading about it and you're talking about it. This is like signs, I think. This was just 2 nights ago and I was Googling about it. Wow. So you chant, huh? It keeps you calm?
It keeps me very sorted, very wise, very strong. Not calm, strong.
I like that description. We should have this conversation again. Okay. When Laksh comes to you and introduces you to his crush, how would you react?
I would say, wow. I mean, you really know your mind and I'm very proud that he considers me his friend.
So you're a chill father basically.
Yes, of course.
Achha, if when Laksh becomes 18 plus or 21 plus, वो पहला glass का cheers, is it going to happen with you?
I'd like it too, but times have changed so much. So I don't think kids really do anything concerning their personal lives with their parents first. They wait to do it with their friends first, for sure.
So yeah, but if given a choice, why not?
Yes, why not? Yeah, of course.
Okay, what is Tushar Kapoor in a Bollywood party? मतलब क्या तुम वो हो कि जो glass लेके एक कोने में है, या फिर you're dancing away, या फिर you're chilling with your friends, having conversation?
Somewhere in middle, like there are some parties where I'd like to be in the corner. I just don't feel comfortable at all, and I'm just not in the corner, but I'm like walking all over, just trying to be busy because I don't know what to do and I'm feeling uncomfortable. And then
you don't attend बहुत सारे parties, if I'm not mistaken.
Not too many, only where I have to go. I go out a lot, but I don't go so much to parties. Yeah. But then there are some parties that I really have fun, and sometimes it's just your mood, or sometimes you just know all the people, or know everybody, and then I'm like all over the place. But so I would say I'm somewhere in between. I'm neither an introvert, neither an extrovert.
Which is the last movie that you saw and you cried, which made you extremely emotional? कौन सी movie थी वो?
कौन सी movie? The last movie I saw and I cried. You know, I was just seeing bits of Bobby the other day and it made me really emotional because Chintu uncle was a family friend. So I didn't see the whole film. saw some songs coming, and then it just makes you very nostalgic, you know, that when the
Yeah.
person is that, you don't really think so much. When you lose
Correct.
a person, then all the old memories come back.
Listen, you posted that picture, I remember, after he had come back. And your father and him, all of them had met, and there was that picture. I still remember that post actually, and you
Yes.
reposted it now. But what
Yes.
if I ask you? See, I think Chintu ji has given us such amazing memories, and I say always this even on my radio show कि हमें ना इनकी जिंदगी celebrate करनी चाहिए, because उन्होंने हमें बहुत कुछ दिया है. तो any
Yeah.
one memory that you'll always remember with Rishi Kapoor, वो क्या होगा?
Him coming home, he used to come home every day when I was a kid, and he was a bit of a bully.
हाँ.
So I remember him trying to bully me a couple of times, and I used to then started getting scared of him, and he used to actually hear his voice, and he has to run inside the house, run inside the room.
Saying, oh my
Yeah.
God. But I'm sure over the years that changed.
Yeah, over the years, of course, I changed. Then I worked with him, and then he was always very cool, very strong personality, and very warm to kids, and very talkative, and I have fond memories of him, though I didn't see him so much in the last few years.
But I'm glad we have these memories, and like I said, he's a legend. His movies and everything that he does, and he's left for us. It lives on.
Body of work.
Yeah, what amazing body of work. Okay, your own movie which you think है यार मुझे वापस इसकी अगर शूटिंग करनी पड़े ना मैं तोड़ दूंगा, मतलब मैं और अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस दूंगा, वो मूवी कौन सी है?
तो है, like I remember the film with Chintu ji, नहीं कुछ तो है, but the thriller came in 2003.
या जहाँ पे वो प्रोफेसर बने हैं.
Professor Bakshi. Yeah, and we tried to make a good film, but the director was new, our production house was new, I was new. So, in all good intention, also, despite all good intentions, we were very disorganized. So, I wouldn't say better karunga ya ye karunga, but I'll say I'll be more prepared and I'll be more organized with everything, you know, if I had to make that film again.
That's a very honest answer. Appreciate it. Okay. Any movie of yours that Laksh loves?
He hasn't seen
Has
any
he
of my...
seen it? अरे दिखाई नहीं अब तक एक भी फिल्म.
No.
Does he know कि पापा एक्टर हैं, मूवीज में आते हैं या नहीं?
I don't think so. He just likes to watch his favorite songs on TV and his cartoons and all his Tom and Jerry and all the animated stuff that he loves to watch. He's not interested in my work yet.
So basically, he's not even watched one scene of yours.
No, not yet.
Oh my God. Okay, what's happening with Golmaal 5? A lot of people have commented asking about Golmaal 5.
It's announced for 2021 Diwali, no?
Yeah, so that is happening.
Yeah, because तब तक तो अभी ये lockdown वाले तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं. So obviously, I'm sure, fingers crossed, it will come 2021. 2021.
What else can we expect from you, Tushar? मतलब once the lockdown is over, hopefully the industry begins.
I have another small film that I shot pre-lockdown, which I haven't announced yet. It's a thriller, and that will also start post-production and all that post the lockdown. So that will come probably now. Again, it'll have to get delayed. So maybe next year it will release, early next year.
Okay, are you jumping into OTT again? Because I mean, it is ghar ka sab kuch. You want to obviously be a part of that as well.
I will, but right now focusing on Lakshmi Bomb, on this thriller, on Golmaal. In between, if I get the right opportunity, I would love to do OTT.
Superb. Okay, one last thing, Tushar. Have you cooked in this lockdown? Have you baked something? You've not cooked.
Son's schooling work only. We've made some sort of a sandwich and all we made. That's it.
Okay, so one last question is, what is that one thing that you thought कि यार मैं लाइफ में कभी नहीं करूंगा ये, but ये लॉकडाउन के टाइम कर लिया तुमने, वो क्या है?
अकेले वर्कआउट विदाउट अ ट्रेनर. मुझे लगा मैं कभी नहीं करूंगा यार मैंने अकेले लॉकडाउन में 1 महीने वर्कआउट कर लिया ऑलरेडी.
Yeah, dude, those videos are solid, inspiring, man. Like it's crazy. Like doing all those difficult ones and all. Very nice. So it just a workout is happening.
Yes.
But listen now, producer you are also of Lakshmi Bomb. This film we're really looking forward to. What's happening to that part? Please give us some info. Any idea? Kya?
Right now we are in lockdown, so obviously all decisions of the further course of action will be taken post-lockdown.
Right. So everything is now on a standstill. You're not thinking of,
Yes.
because everybody else is talking about releasing stuff on OTT, not directly to theaters.
You know,
So
there's
all of
lots
that
of
conversation
speculation.
has not happened.
There's a lot of speculation. We've actually made it clear that till we announce whatever is the next development, please don't believe any speculation. So I'm not reacting to any speculation because I'm not the only producer, so I won't comment because I think whoever's officially in charge of making a statement will make a statement at the right time.
Yeah, but listen, you have to tell us something about Lakshmi Bomb yet, जो अपने को नहीं पता है. Like some sneak peek. Come on.
It's highly awaited and it's a horror comedy and it's a great film. I've seen it and I'm waiting for it to be out.
And Akshay Kumar has killed it.
He has killed it, yeah, for sure.
Okay, so you're not going to give us more. I'm still trying.
No, I'm not out to also because we are in lockdown. I said, no, all decisions, I don't have anything to give you because every decision will be made post-lockdown.
Okay. Good. We're looking forward to more videos from you. And this was amazing. At least we managed this without disconnecting. So I'm happy. Do you want to quickly give a shout out to all those people who are writing in and just say hi to them?
Big
There's
shout
Sanjay.
All the people writing in and I couldn't answer everybody. But
Arey, they're all asking you to imitate यार गोलमाल का dialogue. आधा तो वही है.
I only. But have a great day and love to all of you who've come on this chat and who saw this chat. May God bless all of us and maybe be out of this crisis as soon as possible.
Yes, and waiting to watch you in your movies and Lakshmi Bomb के लिए all the best.
Thank you.
Lots of love. All right, see you.